My name is Clayton Malone, and today I'll be talking to you about solar panels. What is a solar panel? A solar panel is a collection of individual solar cells in the form of a panel that converts light to energy. These solar cells can be seen in the image on the right. A single solar cell is one of the little squares on this image. You might be wondering what makes up these solar cells and how do they actually convert light to energy? Well, these cells are made up of semiconductor materials, normally silicon. As for how they convert the light to energy, there is a silicon layer that faces the sun that receives the light. This silicon layer has unstable atoms, which means that when an energy source, light in this example, hits the silicon, it causes electrons to start flying off. These electrons then fill the gaps in the atoms of the bottom silicon layer. This electron movement creates a current, and with the addition of two metal contacts, a circuit is formed. This electrical voltage is collected and then sent to an inverter that inverts the direct current created from the solar panel to alternating current, which is the current we use to run the electrical devices in our house or dorm. And that is how sunlight is converted into energy. However, there are more factors involved in this process than just the solar panel. Some of the components of the solar panel are the array DC disconnect, inverter, battery pack, power meter, backup generator, breaker panel, circuit breaker panel, charge controller, and solar cells. The array DC disconnect is used to disconnect the solar panel from the home when it needs to have maintenance done to it. The inverter is the device, like explained earlier, that changes the direct current charge from the solar panel to an alternating current charge so we can use it for energy in our homes. The battery pack, pretty self-explanatory, is the system that provides electricity to your home. The power meter is the meter that measures the amount of power used from the solar panel, whether that's from the utility grid or from the house. Then there's a backup generator, most of the time, that is used to provide power during periods of poor weather or a high household demand. The breaker panel is where the power source is joined to the electrical circuits in your home. And the charge controller, also known as the charge regulator, is the device that maintains the proper charge for your voltage system or for your batteries. Because if overcharged, batteries can break and not feed your house electricity. Here's my bibliography of all my sources. Thank you so much and have a great day.